Now, I'll log into the Teams account through the web page. As you can see, with one Cat5e cable from the bar to the console, you will only need to log in once now. Here is the USB-C cable. One end connects to the console. And now I'm plugging it into my PC. As you can see, I get a notification on the touch console. I'm going to click OK. And my screen is instantly shared to the TV. There is a camera app on my laptop. And just like that, I can switch from my laptop's built-in camera to the Yearling camera. It's working perfectly. So with this setup, you can join any meetings on any platform, such as Teams, Zoom, WebEx, while using the A25 as your external audio and video accessory.